Features of BG-250E high-efficiency tablet coating machine. It adopts the new type spray gun with even atomizing, large spraying area, adjustable direction. The nozzle is not affected by the loading volume. The device for cleaning the blocked spray gun can ensure continuous coating, shorten coating time and save coating dressing. Quantitative display and control of technical parameters are realized. SOP operation can be compiled to guide the operation by using quantitative indicators and ensure the consistency of quality of each batch of medicines, fully meeting GMP requirements. Under the action of the streamlined diversion plate mixer, the tablets or pills turn smoothly and exchange frequently, so that the occurrence of the tablets or pills dropping from high positions and colliding is eliminated, broken edges are avoided and the rate of finished products is enhanced. The upper surface of the diversion plate is narrow, avoiding the adhesion of dressing onto its surface, saving the dressing and improving medicine quality.